Welcome to Tiafo Garage. Today we're going to try to tackle an item that's been bugging me about my 2018 Porsche Macan Turbo Performance Package, and that is that the rear wiper squirter dribbles whenever I use it, and I use it pretty often. This is what the squirter does. So if I were to drive the car right now, the liquid will kind of dribble out of here and leave over a line in the back window, which we don't want. So that part is the culprit. You can see it's formulating a drip even as we speak. And this is the replacement. Supposedly has a little check valve in there. That looks like the kind of thing that goes in once. So I'm gonna try to, I think, get at the back of it by trying to remove this thing. So we've got these rubber plugs here, one here. Yeah, that one comes out, one down here. And then on the other side, same. I loosened up with my T30 Torx wrench. You can see there's a fastener down there. So it's a 10 millimeter nut, and I have this kind of setup here. You need an extension that's sort of just the right length. So this is a little tight in there. Thankfully, this works out. Okay, after some fiddling, I determined you kind of just pull straight back on this. And so we'll do that on the other side. So I placed some protective tape here so I can sort of tilt this upwards, and same on the other side. Okay, I took this big screwdriver, put it through that hole, and pushed hard on the third brake light to pop it out. So I squeezed the two tabs with needle nose pliers and pushed it down to get out the old one. So you get that little metal U-shaped black thing kind of off, and then this comes out very easily. That's the old one. Just an observation, when I blow on this old one in the foreground, air comes out of that little metal, what might be the check valve. Whereas when I blow on this one, air does not. After much fiddling, I was able to get that back on. The way I ultimately ended up doing it was pulling that white plastic thing off, and then kind of putting it back on most of the way, putting the new piece in, and then clicking it closed. So, but it was doable. Right, Milo? Right, Dad. So now we'll just put it back together, slide it back in, put on the 4 fasteners, and we should be good to go. So for about 15 bucks and half an hour of work, we rid ourselves of a annoyance on our Porsche Macan here. Thank you for watching. We will see you next time on Tiafo Garage.
Tiafo Garage.